Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the YummyArts kitchen. My name's Michael Prudhomme. Welcome! Yay! Today we're going to have a great class with Shelly Sicily. Let's hear for Shelly. Take it away, Shell.
Okay, today I'm going to show you how to smooth buttercream, a crusting buttercream, with paper towels. First off, I'm here to share with you my buttercream recipe that will crust. Yes, I'm going to give in to the good stuff. All right, are you ready? Got your papers so you can write this down? You need 14 cups of powdered sugar. You do not have to sift it. 14 cups. You don't have to level it. Just scoop it up and put it in your mixer bowl. You got that?
Got
14 cups. Then you're going to need 1 cup cold water straight into your mixer. You can use the whip or you can use the paddle. This is on a KitchenAid. This will work on any kind of mixer, but you need to have a stand mixer. Even if it's a mix master where the bowl just spins around, do it in one of those. Don't try and do this in a hand mixer. Okay, then you need 2 pounds of high ratio shortening. Needs to have the trans fats in it. Or you can do 1 pound of the high ratio shortening with trans fats and 1 pound of butter. That's this one.
Tasty.
Tasty. Your choice of flavoring. Okay. You're going to start the mixer with the powdered sugar and the water. And you're going to watch it. It's going to break down the sugar crystals. That's what gives it this perfectly smooth texture. When you taste it, you're going to go, oh my gosh, wow. There's no sugary grit to it because the water breaks down the sugar. Okay, this recipe was given to me years ago by my former boss. I mean, 25, 30 years ago. So it's been my standard recipe for my bakery business. Okay, once you get that down, you're going to add in 3/4 cup of evaporated milk.
Oh, the secret.
The secret. This is what makes it crust. Okay. I also like this can to be fresh from the store, not something that's been sitting on the shelf for quite a while, because the older this can is, the yellower the frosting is going to be. So make this brand new. Michael ran to the store today to get this.
That's right.
Okay. Here's a smaller version. If you want to break the recipe down into half it, do it 7 cups of powdered sugar, make a half recipe, because it's going to make a full 5-quart mixer bowl of frosting with the full 14 cups right to the top. Cut the recipe in half. 7 cups, 1 cup, 1 cup. 8 ounces, 8 ounces of the butter or the full pound of the shortening. If you want it pure white, do straight shortening. If you want the butter in there, you can do that too. Half and half or straight shortening. It's American buttercream. Okay? So then you're going to put like a tablespoon of your flavoring that you like. I like to use butter emulsion instead of extracts. I like butter emulsion. Gives you much better flavor to it. Okay. Then frost your cake and get it perfectly smooth as best as you can. All right. You see how well I just used a spatula to do this. And I'm not going to touch it because it'll break the crusting on it. But when it's ready, I did this on a room temperature cake, not one that's been in a refrigerator. So when it's ready, you can literally touch it and nothing comes back. See how I can touch this? Now if I were going to break this, you know, fix something on here, it's like you're going to break the crust. So don't use your spatula to fix anything. Now, I did this, frosted this cake at 6:30 this morning, just so you guys could see it. And while it's been sitting, look what appeared. Do you see that bubble?
It's hard to see. It's white on white. There it is. Now we can see. Look at that.
Turn it at an angle, then
there
you can see that bubble.
Yes.
Okay.
What?
How do you fix that buttercream bubble? It's just the cake settling. And this can happen on your cakes when your customers have them at their house and you get a question like, where did this bubble come from? It's just the cake settling. So because this is crusted, I'm going to take a straight pin. I'm going to poke it in there. They can use a toothpick also, but I've got the straight pin available. I'm just going to poke it in here. Press it in. Try not to press too much. See what I did? Broke my crust.
Can that possibly be fixed?
Yes, just by pushing it in.
Excellent.
Okay.